Welcome to the week 3 video on favorites. In this video we will create a folder in our favorites and we'll add to that folder CNN and New York Times, and then we'll finally zip up that folder. So to use favorites, it's pretty easy. Click on favorites here. If you want to add a favorite, you go to the web page that you're interested in. Here's CNN. I think I already had a favorite, but I'll just show you how to add a favorite. So I'm on CNN, open up favorites, and just click add to favorites. And I'll just name this CNN. New. I think I have another one in there. I'll just say new for this demo. Alright, and I also wanted to add New York Times. New York Times. So I do the same thing, click on favorites, add to favorites, and I will just call this the New York Times. I'll just say new for this demo. Okay, so click on favorites and now examine your favorites list. So New York Times new, here's the one I just added, CNN new. If I click on these, there's CNN. Go back to favorites, click on New York Times. There's the New York Times. To add a folder, click on this add to favorites, the flyout menu. Click on organize favorites and choose new folder. I ask you to create a new folder called CIT80 Favorites. I think I've already done this, so I'll just call this new, and then just press enter and then close. Now when you go back to favorites, you'll see this folder, CIT80 Favorites. To add the items to it, you just drag and drop them, just like you do using Windows Explorer. So here's the New York Times favorite. I click on that, I hold my left mouse key down, and while holding the left mouse key down, I drag this into my folder. It automatically closes. That was kind of annoying, but just open up favorites again. Do the same thing for CNN. Okay, and you can see that my folder was highlighted. Now it's closed. Here's CIT Favorites new, the one I just created. Open that up. To zip it, let's go back to Organize. So go back up to Favorites, Organize Favorites. Find the folder that you want to zip, CIT80 Favorites new. Right click and choose Send to, down here, Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. Okay, and that's it. It just created a compressed zipped folder. Go ahead and close that. Now all we need to do is to get this folder here, the zip folder, we need to get that ready to submit to Blackboard. So the easiest way, right click, copy. Then in Blackboard, open up assignments. Open up CW assignments, weekly assignments, go to cw03, open the link, scroll down to section 2, assignment materials, click on browse for local file. Click on Documents. If you don't see it here, simply because you copied it, remember you copied it, just right click and paste. Copy and paste. It looks like I've already done this. I have a message that says, do you want to overcopy? Say yes. Say copy and replace. So I'll find that up here in a folder. It's hidden down here, actually, CIT80 Favorites new, but it is in my documents. So click open and send a comment. This was an easy CW. And submit. This will conclude CW03 video.